Okay, so there is no power, and everywhere there is no power. So I think it's on the news. I think the last message I got from hubby. Hi there. So there is no power still. Got to teach. I've been to the shops and got some food, water, blankets. Okay, so there is no power, and everywhere there is no power. So I think it's on the news. I think the last message I got from hubby. Oh, I was gonna turn around the camera, but anyway, yeah. So the last message I got from hubby was that there's no power in parts of Spain and parts of Portugal. So I have gone on a hunt for some food. Big supermarket, well, not big, a bigger supermarket here is not open. So I got some chippies, I got some bread, I got some cheese, and I got a sweet bread thing, and Coke, because, well, that's all I can get. But dinner will be a sandwich with ham and cheese, because I still have some ham in the fridge, some meat. It's not ham, it's like chorizo or something. And then I've got this cheese. Some of this cheese, and it is so creamy inside. I don't know whether you're supposed to eat the outside or not. I didn't. It's a bit harder, but tastes nice too. But oh my god, it's so creamy, it's so good. So this is what I'm having for dinner. I've got some crisps. I have got like an oniony flavor. I got something like some sort of chorizo sausage, smoked sausage thing. I've got the cheese in there, and the ham and the bread. The bread's quite soft, the outside's hard, but it's delicious bread. It's like French bread or something. But not baguette, the other one, the fatter one. Anyway, this is what I've had to eat for dinner. Well, this is lunch because I didn't have lunch. I was hoping the power went back on, but didn't. So this is dinner. And if I'm hungry later, I guess I'll eat again. So yeah.